Hi folks, welcome to Cancer Healing Vlogs. I'm Dr. Omar Bali. Today we're going to talk about how does the coronavirus get healed inside the body, or rather how does the immune system heal it. So when I have shared in my earlier video where called the pathology or the pathogenesis of coronavirus, what's happening is when the virus enters the cell, there the the nearby macrophages or the alveolar macrophages in the lung area, when that's the area it's infected, they will release certain chemicals or called cytokines. Uh, the specific ones that have been enlisted are IL-1, IL-6, and TNF alpha. You don't need to understand what they specifically do. Although when these known chemicals are released, they are attracting the other immune cells in the circulatory system to that area of the lung, and because of that that will cause all the neutrophils, all the monocytes, and basically the B cells, T cells, to reach that area and start killing the virus. T cell is generally one of the common mechanisms of killing a viral particle, or as well as the cell which is carrying the virus particles. So once those immune cells come, they kill the cells, they kill infected cells or the virus, and that's just the basic mechanism by which the body is taking care of it. In a couple of days, the person heals after that. But in some cases where there's comorbidities or other problems, then it may take more time. There's another problem that happens in a case of the immune system in the body, is that in certain individuals, the immune system goes into overdrive. And even though the virus is now killed, but the the next thing that's going to happen is that the immune system will start attacking the lung tissue, the other parts of the body, and because of that, the lung will now start getting damaged because of the immune system rather than the virus, and thus, in more infection is going to spread because body is getting damaged and the virus is now getting a chance to to grow. And this is the basic thing. Of course, for managing this, that's where the anti-inflammatory or plasmapheresis, where they remove the immune cells from the body. This is in those specific cases, when required, done. Hope this gives you some new insight into the healing of cancer, not cancer, but into the healing of the coronavirus. And yes, with cancer also, it has got like a connection, because when chemotherapy is given, the immune system is reduced. So there is a complication that's happening. Anyways, hope this gives you new insight. Cheers. Take care.